nucleotide formation. Why? Because DNA is a polynucleotide chain. Before that, nucleotide is formed by these three things: pentose sugar, nitrogen bases and phosphoric acid. These three things are to make up nucleotide. First of all, pentose sugar. We need pentose sugar. This is pentose sugar. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5. First carbon attaches nitrogen base. So first carbon attaches nitrogen base, and fifth carbon attaches, that is phosphoric acid. Fifth carbon attaches phosphoric acid. This is phosphoric acid. This is what is that? Pentose sugar. And this is nitrogen base which is attached to first carbon. So here at the fifth carbon attaches CH2OH is freely attached. CH2OH is attached to fifth carbon. This OH is attached with binds with phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is attached with fifth carbon. So this is fifth carbon. This is phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid and pentose sugar which is attached at fifth carbon to release water molecule. To releases water. These type of bond which are called phosphodiester bond. This bond is called phosphodiester bond will be formed. Phosphodiester bond is formed between the pentose sugar and phosphoric acid at the fifth carbon, releases water molecule. That's why to formation of the bond, that is phosphodiester bond. Next, first carbon of pentose sugar attaches with nitrogen base. This is glycosidic bond. Here one more bond is formed, that is glycosidic bond. Two bonds which we are observed. At pentose sugar attaches with nitrogen base, that is glycosidic bond. Pentose sugar attaches with phosphoric acid or phosphate group, that is phosphodiester bond, and releases water molecule. This is nucleotide formation. In this nucleotide formation, which is one nucleotide, one more nucleotide attaches with these two functional groups, and one more functional group. One more nucleotide attaches with here and down. Many nucleotides which are attached to joins to formation of polynucleotide chain. This polynucleotide chain make up DNA structure. So this is one nucleotide. One more nucleotide attaches with two functional groups. One more nucleotide attaches with two another functional groups. Next, one more nucleotide, like that. Many nucleotides are joined together to formation of, that is the polynucleotide chain. This polynucleotide chain mainly present in the DNA structure to make up DNA structure. Next, nucleoside formation. This is nucleoside formation. This is nucleotide formation. What is the difference between nucleotide? Nucleoside consists of only pentose sugar and as well as nitrogen base, not phosphoric acid. In these three things, these three are present in nucleotide. Pentose sugar present, nitrogen base present, and phosphoric acid also present. But in nucleoside, absence of phosphoric acid. So here, to formation of bond between pentose sugar plus nitrogen base and absence of phosphoric acid. Absence of phosphoric acid. This phosphoric acid is absolutely absent. Only pentose sugar as well as nitrogen bond, nitrogen base only present. So this is pentose sugar, carbon number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, at 5. At carbon number 1 attaches nitrogen base, that's it, but not present this phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is not connected with the fifth carbon, only the first carbon of pentose sugar consists of or attaches with nitrogen. This is nucleoside. Next, in case of we are talk about deoxyribose sugar connected with nitrogen base. This is nucleoside, which nitrogen base is attached. Next, this is called deoxy. Here nitrogen base, which is we are observed adenine. In case we are taking example adenine, deoxyadenosine. In case of deoxyribose sugar attached with to guanine, in case of deoxyguanosine. So deoxyribose sugar, guanine, deoxyguanosine. Next, deoxyribose sugar attached with thiamine, deoxythymidine. Deoxyribose sugar attached with to cytosine, deoxycytosine. So these like a nucleosides, these are mainly nucleosides. Deoxyribose sugar attaches to adenine as a nitrogen base, that is deoxyadenosine, deoxyguanosine, deoxythymidine, deoxycytosine or cytidine. These are nucleosides. What about nucleotides? Deoxyribose sugar attaches with adenine and phosphate or phosphoric acid. This is nucleotide, which is nucleotide. This nucleotide, which is also called as deoxyadenosine monophosphate. So deoxyribose sugar attaches with adenosine, that's why deoxyadenosine, and attaches with one phosphate, that's why monophosphate. Next, deoxyribose sugar, guanine, deoxyguanosine monophosphate, deoxythymosine monophosphate, deoxycytidine monophosphate, like that. 4. Mainly deoxyribose sugar attaches with oxygen, deoxyadenosine monophosphate, because of single phosphate is attached. Deoxyribose sugar attaches with guanine, that is a deoxyguanosine monophosphate. Thymidine and monophosphate. Deoxycytidine monophosphate. This is the nucleoside as well as nucleotide. Nucleoside, phosphate is absent, nucleotide, phosphate is present. That's why deoxy monophosphate, either adenosine, guanosine, cytosine and thymidine. This is about nucleotide formation, nucleoside formation. Many nucleotides join together to formation of polynucleotide chain. This polynucleotide chain, which is make up, that is a DNA structure. Next class we are discussing about DNA structure.